Our compiler analyzes annotated Python code using the abstract syntax tree module of Python 3 and generates optimized interpretations that adhere to specified data types and bit widths. The variable bit width integers is a novel feature of BitPy, allowing you to create an integer with any bit width you wish.
BitPy annotated code is simple Python code which has our special data types as type annotations. As you can see, int16, uint8, etc. have been added here, which tell our transpiler exactly what these types will need to be. This is generated for every single scope, so there's a separate symbol table for the adder function and for the global scope. The semantic checking is conducted, which generates transpiled code. After this, comments and imports are added back from the original code, so the transpiled code is still readable to the end user and easier to debug. Finally, the code produces the following output, which adheres to underflows, overflows, and behaves exactly like how you would expect C++ code to behave. A lot of the time we were doing things without sort of discussing them beforehand. Discussion and communication are things that I've learned are very important now in software projects.
I used to only work on personal projects. First time working in a team has helped me discover how to plan together as a team. I'm a purely software developer, but this professor came and he talked about his work regarding improving and optimizing pre-caching, which is a very interesting concept which I didn't know about in hardware. And it was one of the best 2 hours I've ever spent like understanding about hardware, and I really understood from start to finish like how people who work for the hardware really think. Another highlight for me was the entrepreneurship workshop, which was truly fabulous. There were 2 weekends which made me rethink like maybe you know what, I might not be an engineer. Maybe I want to make solutions which break the modulus operandi and make something new for the world. We had to create a compiler and we are totally blank. We are like, oh, how does this work? And initially we made a lot of hiccups, but eventually we started looking through content regarding compilers in MITs, IITs, CMU, and we started learning all these skills by ourselves. And at the end, we implemented something which is very similar to other compilers with the same level of complexity and the same level of robustness. So I feel that it has been a very good learning experience, especially for me since I'm a CSC student.
So a lot of this learning that we have gotten in college has been AI related, not that much into computer systems and compilers and stuff like that. This internship has sort of opened that world to us.
We didn't do enough R&D before jumping in the project, which caused us to lose a lot of time.
Always research what you are going to do before trying to do it. When we initially started on the project in like the first 2 weeks, we just decided to build it in the way that we thought would work best. But that was not scalable at all. And we had to do almost complete rewrite after that. And we rewrote it completely using a different data structure. If we had researched a little bit more, we would have found out what data structure to use earlier.
Before joining Yantra, there were so many skills which I didn't know. I never knew that compilers use constructs like symbol tables and stuff. I never knew how hard semantic checking is. I didn't know how complicated Python can really get. So this was very interesting because I saw a whole new world which I didn't know and which I didn't know existed before Yantra.
It has enlightened me not only in like how to work or how to be in a project, but also in social situations. How do you act differently when different challenges are thrown at you, and what are the different ways that you can learn? All of this has been sort of taught throughout the internship by our project, by our mentors, by our workshops. But overall, it has just sort of been enlightening to understand so much more, and I feel like I can handle more now and do more challenging things because there is a broader horizon out there.